So yeah, I'm kind of bored, and I don't feel like recording FIFA Mobile because I guess no one likes FIFA Mobile, and that's okay because not a lot of people that I know like soccer, so that's fine. But I'm gonna do PUBG Mobile. I haven't done PUBG Mobile in a while. I actually had to re-download the game, and yeah, that kind of sucks. I also forgot to record the audio for this, so there's no sound. So that sucks. So I'm just gonna voice over it. So yeah. Yeah, so we're on the plane now, and we're gonna drop out the plane soon. And it sounds weird to say plane 3 times, but whatever. Still a pretty good game. I had fun making this. Yeah. Oh, and also I'm doing pistol only because PUBG Mobile is very easy. So I'm trying to give myself a challenge, and I have to get at least 7 kills or more to at least get some of the challenge. I mean, make it a little bit more difficult, because honestly, I feel like I'm gonna get a really good, I don't know, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But PUBG Mobile's easy. That's just what I'm trying to say, okay? I drop out the plane, and I go to a storage unit. So, yeah. That's exactly what I did. Go to a storage unit, loot up. It's a big lull coming up, because I honestly don't even understand how I survived this. But you'll see, I won't spoil it for you. So yeah. Yeah, I said I was doing pistol only, and you saw that I picked up an SMG. The reason is, an SMG is actually just a pistol. I mean, really it is. Like, it is, okay? Don't type in the comments saying the SMG isn't a pistol. Because, I mean, it basically is. Now that AKM you can throw out the window, but... yeah, this guy was a total noob. I beat him up. I literally punched him and he has a gun. It's very sad that this guy I didn't die. Then I collected his loot, but I couldn't use any of it because he didn't have a pistol. So that kind of sucked. Then came over here. Then this man right here is so clueless. Just sees me and decides to run away even though I'm healing up. And starts running. I don't know why. You have a better gun than me. I guess because he was low. And then I ended up killing him. So that was that. So basically, to community guidelines of YouTube, you apparently can't have a video over 15 minutes when posting it on a mobile device, so that sucks, and you miss about 8 kills. And that is really annoying. But it sucks. Another thing that sucks is because PUBG Mobile is like really, really long. Like the games are really long, so it kind of makes sense. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. It was actually pretty fun making this. And yeah, peace. So basically, I'm just in the same game. I just didn't want to record all of it because it's just so much work to do. And yeah, I'm in the top 10 with only a couple guys to go. Guy right there doesn't want to shoot at me. There we go. That's done. Not too much health lost there. I saw another guy around here somewhere. We'll go look for him. Let's just see what he has. Don't give me any of his guns, please. Alright, nothing I need, so that's good. I did see someone over here in this direction. Someone shooting over here, apparently. There we go. Easy. Sorry I was quiet there. Kind of wanted to kill. I was kind of focusing. Seeing as I'm using a pistol from this range. Alright, so there's 7 people left. And I've got 12 kills. Easy enough. There's a gun in here. I don't need the gun. The guy had some good loot, I'm not gonna lie. Sadly, can't use it though. Drop the gun. I have... There's a guy all the way in the distance over there. If I had a better scope, I would actually be shooting. Actually, you know what? He's getting away from Storm. Oh, I actually hit him. Well, he's gonna die in Storm. Oh, what happened? Oh, I'm waiting. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm actually right out of Storm, so that's fine. Alright, good. There we go. Sorry, guy. You're gonna die. That's how life goes. 5 guys left. Take a painkiller just to heal up here. Anyone else coming out of Storm? Guy must have been AFK for a while. That was that airdrop. I did collect an airdrop. But there's nothing in it for me. It's an AUG. An AUG A3, so whatever. Alright, well, I got some good loot for pistol's sake. Five people left. Yeah. I'm gonna actually wait Storm. No, I'm not. The Storm comes. I'm gonna wait until like 30 Storm. In the meantime, I'm gonna take this other painkiller. Get me back to full health. There we go. Did I see a guy down there? I don't know if I did. Yeah. 30 seconds. We said we would go. Alright. Who's left? See, now is the time where people start camping in crap. So, like, oh, what I mean. So, it's kind of annoying. There's a guy up there. Shit. People in Storm. like a bunch of stuff going on right now. I'm gonna reload my gun. Somewhere in this direction. Oh shoot, I got shot at. Oh, crap. I'm in storm, so it's always good. I need to be careful. I'm not in storm. There's 3 people left. There's a guy over there. Bro, where was that? Where is this man? He's behind the tree. Trying to jump to see. Damn. There's 3 guys left. I just don't want to get snuck up on by the third to last. The second to last guy. Oh my gosh, this is threatening. Oh, I got 13 kills. I killed both. I get 15. Not a bad game. Crap, from where? From where, bro? I gotta run. I don't know where. I don't know where from. Where did I do that? What the hell? Reload. I just don't know where from. This is a very stressful position. My hands are sweating. If only he knew I had a pistol, I think he would run up. Storm closes in 5 seconds. I'm looking at the storm, so yeah. It's closing in. There's still 3 guys. I know one was in that direction. Where is everyone? Wait, there's a guy right there. Crap. Man keeps missing. There's a guy that says he's in storm, apparently. Ooh, crap. From where, bro? From where? I don't know where. Oh, I don't see him. Boom. Got him. Last guy. He's got to push towards storm, so I'm going to have to do that too. I'm not gonna get the loot because he has like nothing, and I'm gonna have to end up dropping an AR, so there's that. I still have time, so I'm gonna hide behind this tree for a bit. I'm gonna wait until 10 seconds. Might even pick up the guy's loot. Alright, we don't have much time. I'm gonna have to start moving. So is he though, so that's always good. Alright, so the restricted play area is moving. We're in storm now. Where is this man? Sure, if he dies in the storm, I'm gonna be so mad. I can be one of these houses, honestly. Just camping behind this wall. Feel it. Oh, man's over there. Let me have the kill. Oh my gosh. Come on. We need this kill. Let's go! Winner, chicken dinner, boys.